What's good, YouTube? It's your boy KG.
Oh yeah.
And with the Ahkz and that. Who am I here with?
It's your boy Smelly. Yo!
Hold on. It's your boy my God. Hold on. Mario.
So we're gonna be reacting to JP's new song. Shake It to the Sound. It's not that new, it's like 2 weeks old, but we're gonna be reacting to it with Bigfrank. I don't know who that is. You guys know who that is, bro?
I named JP.
I just know this guy's in love with JP.
I said, hey, goodbye.
Every now and then I fall apart, and I need you now tonight, and I need you.
Who's the guy? Who's he?
You'll see. He's got the flavor. He's got the flavor.
He's deadly, man.
Alright, but
I'm not deadly, but like he's deadly as shit. He's deadly, man. I'm not deadly, but like he's deadly as shit.
Boy, if you don't get.
I just shout out, man.
Guys always say something.
Why's he laughing, man? God's tweaking, man.
I see, but we're gonna get into it. Alright, so we're gonna react to the new song by JP and Bigfrank. Let's get into it.
Let's get into it.
I like the flow type shit. Yeah, come on, boy.
Usually when I like
Get hype.
Get off of this one.
Oh shit! You don't sound like this?
Oh, pause it. Hey, bro. Why is he actually like rapping normally?
Yeah, like,
So,
hey, he's like doing that weird, like
mom, so he's not like turning up, like, you know?
Yeah.
Hey, hello.
he's doing that weird shit.
Nah, bro. Nah, I like his old shit, bro. Yeah, let's see.
I see.
Maybe bring that one.
Wait,
Shake to the sound.
why is he kind of dead?
Oh, he's bringing it. Oh! Hold on, I like that flow. Hey, he like that.
Oh shit!
That was nice.
That was nice.
He switched the flow from like rapping, like saying nigga, all that shit, and then he switched with that voice. I don't know how to do it. You know that voice thing?
Yeah.
What that
Apparently you went to
country
like-
voice? That country voice sort of.
Country voice, yeah.
It's like weird. I don't know what he does with his voice, but it's nice. I like it. Hey,
Shake to the sound.
I can see the potential in this song.
I mean, shake to the sound and shit.
Oh, shake it to the side. Hey.
Sounds like Meat Milk. I'm
Like that boy sounds familiar, mom. So I don't know who, but really sounds familiar, mom.
Say the way he cooking.
sounds like Meat Milk.
Crazy. Spinning shit. I guess I did. We went that shit. Same code too, mom's life.
Bigfrank. That boy Frank.
What right there?
Couple niggas with me, yeah, you know we came from the gutter. Couple bitches in the coop and they kissing each other. With the Timberland boots, money OD long, it's coming straight through the roof. And baby, come and shake that ass like my name Uncle Lou.
Uncle Lou! Shout out to our Uncle Lou.
Ladies, baby, with elderly soul, I'm bringing the old back. Talking in your head, that's where we go put a hole at. You best get it too, showing up at his dome, man. And I'm riding with your big steady, getting my sauce now.
Wait, hold on.
Shout out to JP. Yeah, look. Yeah.
Hello.
No, this guy is dead.
Oh.
Allow me to paint you a picture. The town's got a place for all of us.
Sounds like Rick Ross, bro. You know?
With them guys from JP and I brought Frankie Tom. Said with them niggas that'll take your shit, then come around and come and fuck your bitch. I'm so determined, bitch, I'm bound to be rich. It's me and bro, we locked in, we little snitch. Let me shine on you. I got 8 peak dreams, different comment on you. That's why she choosing me. When she pulls it down.
Hey, what are you doing, man?
That's their Nick J.
Man, say it loud, dude. This guy.
shit that no nigga J.
Right, just shut it up. Just shut it up. Hey, 5, 4, 3.
Come back here.
Come here, come back. Hey, get his ass. Mama, yacht. Alright, we're back, you know. Shit happened, but
He's fucked.
actually, wait. That's basically the song, but I heard that song like it's nice. I like it. Like I'll give it like a solid like 9 out of 10. I like the flow switch up, like from country boy to just all that shit. He's nice with it. You guys do it.
Word. I fuck with this nigga heavy since he made fucking, what was it, Bad
Bad
Bitty.
Bitty.
She took. You don't know about she took. If you're a bit, look too long that she took, nigga. Shit, bro. Yeah, I rate the song like a what? A 9.5. Might not 10, bro. The flow switch, the hypeness, the fat nigga, he's deadly.
He's new.
Yeah, word. I rate this. I like it. What about you?
I'm so I rate this. First of all, this guy he has 2 different voices and he knows how to use both of them. You know how fucked that is? That's a drag talent. I'm so fat nigga in the back. I didn't know he sound like Meek Mill, Mom's brain. Like he actually surprised me. You wouldn't think
I
about
thought it was
that.
gonna sound like
He
a
surprised
boss.
me. Mom's brain. I thought it was gonna sound deep voice. It sounds fucked. And like the way they went back to back, the flow's fucked.
Wow.
Beats deadly too.
It's nice.
What is nice? That's like it's like an 8.5.
Me, what I'm gonna say is, I got nothing to say about this song, bro. What was it's kind of fucked? Like, it gets niggas hyped up. Fuck. I don't know why. Like, I didn't listen to this type of music. Word. Like, I wouldn't see myself listening to this guy. But like now, he might be alright. I might consider my playlist. Word. It's not bad. Like, oh shit, probably like an 8. Not bad. Probably an 8.
What do you reckon?
Wow, this shit's got like the 1960 flow and shit. I could vibe to it.
1960.
Hey,
What did you say?
Alright, you know, we gave him so much chances now. We gave him so much chances now. I'm tired. My body's tired from just.
I know, but listen. I'm gonna rate this shit a 9. It's actually daily and shit. Nah, real shit. Real nigga shit.
Real nigga shit? Oh, real shit.
Real nigga shit.
Alright, so that's our YouTube video. If you like the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know what you react to next and who we should feature on our next video. Peace.
This guy, what you